Hi guys, it's Gun here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly install processor in your motherboard. So I have here the TUF Gaming B550M motherboard and a Ryzen 5 3600 processor. I made this video for those who are first time building PC to help them get ideas and to avoid mistakes and damage on their PC parts. Now just press this metal and pull it up to unlock the processor tray. Now it means that it is already unlocked and ready to put our processor. But first we need to make sure that it is in the right position. There is a triangle symbol here in the motherboard. As you can see, you must align it with the symbol or the triangle symbol in your processor. Now I'm going to get the processor to show you the symbol that we need to align to install our processor. You must be careful to hold this processor. Do not hold the pins. You must hold the side, and then as you can see, that symbol must be aligned with the motherboard. You must be very careful in installing the processor because once it falls to any surface, the pins may bend, and once the pins, this processor may bend, it could damage the processor. This may not work properly in your motherboard, or it could destroy the whole processor and you may need to buy another one. Do not press hard once you install your processor. Just press it gently, or just check if your processor is properly aligned, and make it sure you lock the processor tray. So that's how you install your processor in the motherboard. You must be very careful in installing it because it could destroy your processor. So I hope that you learned something in this video, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.